Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and log into Adobe Express. This is essential if you want to access Adobe's creative tools and start designing graphics, videos, and web pages with ease. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to adobe.com. This is Adobe's main homepage where you'll find all their products and services. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as you'll be accessing various features from here. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you have multiple options for accessing your account. On the login screen, you'll notice several convenient options for signing in. You can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. These options allow you to use your existing accounts from these platforms, making the login process much quicker and eliminating the need to remember another password. Simply click on whichever service you prefer to use. Alternatively, if you don't have an Adobe account yet or prefer to create a new one with a fresh email address, you can click on Create an Account. This option is perfect if you want to keep your Adobe account separate from your social media profiles. After clicking Create an Account, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Once you've filled in these details, click Continue to move forward with the registration process. Next, you'll need to enter your first and last name. This information helps Adobe personalize your experience and is necessary for account verification purposes. Type in your full name as it appears on your official documents. Now it's time to navigate to the Date of Birth section. Click the drop-down menu below it to select your month. This drop-down will show you all 12 months of the year, so scroll through and choose the month you were born in. After selecting your month, you'll need to enter your year of birth as well. This information is required to ensure you meet the age requirements for using Adobe services and helps keep your account secure. Before you can finalize your account creation, you'll see a checkbox with Adobe's terms and conditions. Make sure you check the box indicating that you agree to Adobe's terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've done that, click Create Account to complete the registration process. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Adobe Express account and can now start exploring all the creative tools and features Adobe has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.